Hi everybody, it is time to pick giveaway winners. So get out your hand sanitizer, self-quarantine yourself, and let's go. I have in this bowl all of the entries for the Maker's Box. So if you entered with the letter A for the Maker's Box, your name's in here. I'm just going to mix them all up. Don't you like my old school way of doing things? I just like it better this way. Okay. I'm going to, not looking, pick one. And this is Gail Tuthill. Congrats, Gail. I'm happy that you will be receiving the Maker's Box filled with all of the goodies for making stuff. So in the description box below, I will give you my email address, and you will need to get a hold of me in the next 48 hours with your email address and your shipping information so that I can get this out to you. And if you don't respond within the next 48 hours, I will choose another name and we will move along. So I'm going to dump those out, and into the bowl next will go the names that entered for B, which is the set of 3 cold wax paintings. And that winner is Amy Koneval. Congratulations, Amy. I will be sending those 3 paintings and the mats so that you could get those framed and hung and enjoy them. So again, 48 hours, send me an email with your shipping address and we'll get this on its way out to you. Yay, Amy. I will dump those out. And there were only 3 entries, 3 lone entries for C, which was the stretched canvas collage painting. So I will just mix those around. And you have a pretty good chance if you entered for C. So C will be going to Shannon Naylor. Congratulations, Shannon. Again, 48 hours. Send me your shipping information using my email address in the description box below. Thank you all so much for entering the giveaway. I really appreciate your support of my channel. All of these winners are good supporters of my channel. They come and watch my videos and leave comments, and I really appreciate that. I hope you're all doing well and feeling healthy amid all this stuff that's going on. I'm feeling kind of crappy, but I'm hoping it's just a cold. I'm just monitoring how I'm feeling, and if things get worse, I will go get tested. But you know, it is still flu and cold season, so we shouldn't, you know, panic just because we get a scratchy throat or a stuffy head. Do what you're supposed to do. Wash your hands, yada yada. You've all heard it a million times a day, every day. So just follow the guidelines and keep yourselves safe. That's the main thing. And we're lucky that we have our various platforms online where we can keep in touch and see interesting things and not be totally bored and go out of our mind when we have to self-quarantine. And I know I have an awful lot to do. Some of it's fun, some of it's not. Like My house really needs to be cleaned, but I don't feel good enough to do it, and I'm not going to worry about it. I'm going to make art instead, because I can, so I will. And I hope I know a lot of you probably have kids who are home from school. You may have been sent home from your jobs, and I really, really do feel for you. That's a really tough situation to be in, so I hope you figure out the best solution for your family and just hang in there. It's got to end at some point. Just hoping it's sooner than later. This past weekend I made the trip to Cincinnati to see these little guys. These are my twin grandsons who turned 1 yesterday. So we had a nice party. There weren't 50 of us. There were about 25 of us. So nobody seemed to be sick. We had it at a very nice pizza type restaurant in a private party room. So we weren't with anyone we didn't know. But, you know, you can't totally put your life on hold. If you're not sick, check on people who maybe can't get out to get groceries, or maybe do already have health problems that, they'd appreciate it if somebody checked on them from time to time. Elderly folks. My son told me I'm not elderly, I'm just middle old. So I'm 69, so I don't want to be considered elderly, but, I realize I'm getting up there, so I'm taking precautions, and somebody checked on me, I'd appreciate it, even though I'm fully capable of doing what I need to do for my own self-care. So, yeah, but that was a fun trip, but it was a trip. I stopped once. It's about a 4-hour drive from me, so I did stop once on the way down and once on the way back. Made a really quick restroom stop and got the heck out. So I don't know. My son has had a cold. I have a feeling maybe I just, picked up whatever cold virus is bugging him. He's already feeling better, so not going to be too overly concerned until it's time to be. So that's all I really have for you today. I'm going to get off of this video and start another one and make a project and share it with y'all. But congratulations again to my 3 winners, Gail Tuthill, again for the Makers Box, Amy Koneval for the cold wax paintings, and Shannon Naylor for the stretched canvas collage painting. As soon as I get your info, I can get these things shipped out to you. I do have everything wrapped and ready to go. And that's it. So thanks for joining me. Help me in congratulating these ladies on winning the giveaway prizes. And happy birthday to Brooks and Reed. Reed's the oldest by about 3 minutes. So they're our little miracle IVF babies, and they are absolutely awesome. Okay, kids, be safe, stay healthy, go make some art. Bye. Hand sanitizer. It's not just for cleaning your craft mat anymore. Use it. Use it often.